After yesterday's solid rebound, today was another strong session. So started off in the green after that strong handover from the global markets. What with the S&P 500 index at record levels, a good tearaway move coming in for the tech-heavy Nasdaq index as well. And we really lapped up from those levels, so managed to cruise past well above that 17,200 level today. 17,257 is the print that we shut shop with in today's trading session, and that's a solid gain of 153 points coming in today. The breadth of the market as well leapt hard, and today too you saw a smart follow through to where we left it off yesterday. A good 164 count is what you had to the advances within the F&O segment. Largely all sectors contributed today. Media, for that matter, though, was a relative underperformer, and power to some degree perhaps. So Sun Pharma, Asian Paints, M&M, Titan, Autos of course was a very strong mover today. Tata Motors held out by 2%. You had M&M, Eicher Motors, all standing up in excess of over 1%, a move on all these stocks. So Coal India, NTPC, Ultratech Cement along with Shree Cement, BPCL, L&T, ONGC and Reliance Industries as well, which held out by about 1.5%. Though on the flip side, the private banking names, which actually led the recovery yesterday within the private banking lot and for the Bank Nifty, they were the ones which took a bit of a backseat today. So both ICICI Bank as well as Kotak along with IndusInd Bank were actually laggards in today's trading session. Add to that the broader market strength, the PI Industries and ICICI GI, Deepak Nitrite, Strides Arcolab, Astral Poly were all names which were holding out very smartly. There was also Tata and Siemens, which are now going to co-develop Pune Metro Line 3. So Siemens was a big mover today. Ashoka Buildcon, which is getting into divestment of BOT, toll assets, removes a big overhang. So that was another stock which was in focus. And Grasim, which is now commissioned a caustic expansion project, that was another stock which was holding out. BSE, the bonus issue, that kept the stock warm, and you had an excellent listing today, a debut on the Lal Street. Supriya Life Sciences, an issue which was well absorbed, that managed to list at a 45% premium near abouts to its issue price. So a dhamaka listing in that sense once again. Some stocks which sulked today were PVR, they were Trent, there was Aditya Birla Fashions. PVR fell more than 4%. Trent was down 2% and Aditya Birla Fashions as well, which was lower by 1.5%. Reason being the Delhi government, now in light of the spike in COVID cases, issuing a yellow alert, and that includes shutting off multiplexes and theatres. So that of course didn't go down well with PVR, which is just about seen a recovery in terms of people getting back to theatres and some big movie pipeline actually coming in, and similar was the price action with the rest of the reopened trades as well. FSL was the other name which was also a laggard, and AU Bank. The intriguing move today was of course from RBL Bank. So after yesterday's 18% price damage, that stock managed to hold out by over 3%. Still got a long way to go before it undoes yesterday's damage, but a smidge of a green did play out for RBL Bank after that savage day that it had in trade yesterday. Still got to keep our fingers crossed. It's the global markets which are also moving, our markets up with them. So let's only hope for better global cues tomorrow morning as well.